let's look at this pattern. Let's start with the first number and we're going to count it out and try to figure out what the last three numbers should be. So say this with me. Ready? 25, 26, 27. First of all, our pattern is going forward or backward? Think. Right, the numbers are getting bigger, which means the pattern is going forward. And is it going forward by how many? It's going forward by 1 because the number is just the next number in line. So if the number is getting bigger and it's just going to the next number in line, then think about what this number should be. Think. If you said 28, good job. I'm going to write a 28. 2, 8. All right, let's repeat. Let's say what we know so far. Ready? 25, 26, 27, 28. Think. What number should this be? Hopefully you said 29. All right, let's do the last one. Let's count it again. Ready? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Think. What comes next? I hope you said 30, which is 3 and then 0. All right, let's check out the coin we're counting today. What is this guy called? He's called a penny. That's right. And how much is a penny worth? Think. 1 cent. So when we count our pennies, we're going to count by ones, and that'll tell us how many pennies we have. It'll also tell us how much money we have. So help me count through the pennies and see how many we have as we add them to the coin cup. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, I'm going to write 14. And now I heard teen, so I know a 1 comes first, and then the 4. And then I have to write my cent symbol, which is a C with a line through it up and down. So this says 14 cents. We have 14 cents in our coin cup.